In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best car dash cameras available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the car dash cameras mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, K2 Pro 4K Dual Lens Car DVR with AI GPS. The K2 Pro is your ultimate driving companion, featuring a 4K dual lens system for detailed footage. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, it enables seamless file transfers. Its 170 degrees wide-angle view ensures maximum coverage, while external GPS tracks speed and coordinates. Supporting fast Class 10 SD cards, it ensures efficient data handling. This AI-enhanced dashcam is perfect for smart and safe driving. Originally $187.58, it's now available at $78.16, 58% off. Number 4. 70mm 4K Dashcam A810 Ultra HD. The 70mm A810 offers stunning 4K Ultra HD recording with a 150 degrees FOV, ensuring crisp visuals. Its built-in GPS provides precise tracking, while ADAS boosts safety with advanced driving assistance. The motion detection feature captures key moments automatically. Supporting a rear camera, it delivers comprehensive coverage. Easy to install and reliable, the A810 is a high-quality dashcam for modern drivers. Originally $249.98, it's now available at $109.99, 56% off. Number 3, DDPAI Z50 Dual Dash Cam with 4K Wi-Fi. The DDPAI Z50 is a feature-packed dashcam with a Sony IMX415 sensor for vivid image quality. It records in 4K front and 1080p rear, ensuring all-around clarity. Its H.265 video codec optimizes storage, while the hardware kit supports continuous recording. Equipped with Wi-Fi and GPS, it provides easy file access and precise tracking. Ideal for capturing every driving moment, it combines efficiency and performance. Originally $234.80, it's now available at $100.81, 57% off. Number 2, AZDOME M550 3-channel dash cam. The AZDOME M550 is a versatile 3-channel dash cam covering front, inside, and rear views. With 4K front and 1080p dual channels, it ensures comprehensive recording. Features like GPS, Wi-Fi, and IR night vision enhance its usability. Its motion detection and seamless recording provide added safety and convenience. Perfect for professional drivers or families, the M550 redefines road safety. Originally $180.79, it's now available at $77.05, 57% off. Number 1, EACE 4K Car DVR Dashcam with GPS Wi-Fi. The EACE Dashcam offers 4K clarity, GPS tracking, and Wi-Fi connectivity in one compact device. It features a G sensor for automatic recording during impacts and a rear camera for parking assistance. With seamless Bluetooth and Wi-Fi integration, file transfers are quick and easy. This smart dashcam combines affordability with advanced features, making it an ideal choice for safe and informed driving. Originally $119.47, it's now available at $57.24, 52% off.